Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Shalom Blac. Yes, it is I am back with a new video. So last time I did a video, my last video, I got drugged because the lighting was just awful, the quality was just bad, and you guys literally kind of drugged me, and I was in my feelings. Okay, I was in my feelings, I'm not gonna lie, but I make sure that this time when I come back correct. At least I tried. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this. I am still learning this new lens that I got. $2,000 lens, but honestly I think it's going to be worth it because so far so good. I think I'm liking it. I still get a pretty good wide angle with the blur in the back, and I can zoom in and out. So I definitely think it's going to be worth it. I'm not gonna complain about that. I thank God that I'm able to do this. So I'm only going to be highlighting the black owned businesses. So right now I'm applying primer, and you guys know what the primer is, but we're not gonna mention it in this video. For my foundation, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. They actually sent me this whole thing. I've been using the concealer, so you guys are not gonna see the concealer I've been using. So there's a concealer here. So yes. Oh, look at all those melanin. So we have powders. We have loose powders here. These are the new powders. I actually purchased the powder before they sent it to me, so I do have hazelnut. I don't know what other shade they sent to me, but I have hazelnut. And the sponge, I haven't tried the Fenty sponge yet, so this is going to be my first time. We got some brushes. Some of these brushes I have, and this one is just a compact mirror, and of course the foundation. You guys know about this. If you don't know, I'm going to use it today so you can see. But I actually use the concealer and I really like it. I'm not so much into the foundation when I used it the first time, the few times that I've used it, but I actually really like the concealers. For the Fenty foundation, I'm using the shade 480, and I'm also using the shade 480 in the concealer. 480 is actually the closest. I think it's the darkest shade too. I could be wrong. No, I feel like the sponge is kind of sucking in the product. So I think I'm gonna switch to a brush. So I'm also using the shade 480 in the concealer to highlight, but as you guys can see, the shade is actually lighter. So it's like the perfect highlighting shade. It's been doing the job for me. The consistency is beautiful and it sets really nice. And by the way, it doesn't set like the foundation. The foundation sets dry really quick, and this one just kind of stays nice and dewy. So I really like that. So to contour my face, I'm going to be taking the Black Radiance foundation stick, and this is their new foundation stick. This is in the shade Chocolate Dip. Apply it where it needs to be to kind of chisel the face. I'm gonna bring it down to my jaw and my forehead, the side of my nose, just to snatch everything. Okay, so to set the makeup, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder, and this is in the shade Hazelnut. To set my contour, I'm going to be taking the Contour Palette by Black Radiance, and I'm taking the shade Contour and just really chisel. And I like this because this actually brings some color back to my face after doing the setting powder. I'm not sure if I was recording this whole time where I was talking about this palette, but please tell me I was recording this whole time when I was talking about this palette. Please tell me I was recording the whole time I was talking about this because I just realized, like, I'm looking at my monitor and I realized it was not recording. So can we just talk about how beautiful this ish is? So pretty. I'm taking the shade Finesse, and I'm putting that all over my eyelid. You guys know I love shades like this. I love this warmness all over my eyes. It just, it calls my name, and I'll be there. This is the Pilot. The Pilot palette. Yeah, that's how you say it. I'm gonna take the shade Baggage and work that into my crease. I'm gonna kind of go in with the concealer, with the Fenty Beauty concealer, to kind of cut a crease. I'm taking Sin City from the same palette, and I'm just pressing that to the outer part of my lid. With the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and take Casino, which is this beautiful bluish purple, and I'm just gonna start pressing that, kind of overlaying on that first blue shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and take Henna, which is this beautiful turquoise color, and pack it on the inner part of the lid. Okay, so I decided to add some glitter right in the inner eye corner of my eyes. What accent was that? Honestly, I did not do that on purpose. It's just so crazy to me how sometimes, oh my god, sometimes I just have this really weird accent. Like, it's not even African accent, it's just like completely different, and honestly I don't do it on purpose, so that's like crazy to me. Okay, so the sun seems to be coming out. Great, wash me out so people can start coming at me. Bruh, chill down. Okay. Oh, I was gonna change my setting, but it's going down. Oh my god, it listened to me. The sun heard me. So if you guys didn't know, there's an Instagram page called Makeup by Melanin Girls, and they started off as just an Instagram page that share different makeup tutorials from beautiful women of color. So they recently started, I wouldn't say recently, but maybe like a year or two ago, they started their online. So they sent me this, ooh, do not die. They sent me this beautiful glitter palette that I haven't digged into, but it's so pretty. So I am going to be taking a shade in here, and I will be laying it right on the inner part of this makeup, as you guys can see on this eye. Oh yeah, this is hidden. Oh yeah. So good. So good. I think I need to go find out if I can get like a box of this. I'm not sure, but if you guys know where I can get a box of this, I would really like to have it in my studio. That can just be my dream for the studio, you know? Because I only find it when I go to Chipotle. I don't see it in the stores, so that's that. I'm going to be taking Lashes by Makeup by Melanin Girl. I'm not exactly sure what style this is, but yeah, we're gonna use this. Yeah, it's not telling me what style this is, but she's pretty, and look at the packaging. Isn't that cute? Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply the highlighter. This is the Beauty Bakery Illuminator in the shade Ice. Actually, one of my favorite highlighters. It comes in like an ice cream. Look at that. That's so cute. Okay, guys, so I have a joke for you guys. Listen up, okay? Are you guys all alright? Or are you guys all left? Get it? Are you guys alright? Or left? Left? No? No? Okay, that was not my joke anyway. I stole it. So it doesn't matter if you think it's funny or not. It wasn't mine. Oh, she icy, icy. Haters wanna fight me. Right now, I don't know who this girl is. I have no idea who she is. So for the lip, we are gonna go back into Lola Cosmetics, the eyeshadow that we use, the same brand. And she has this really gorgeous lipsticks. Oh my god, that she sent me. So I guess one side is lipstick and one side is like lip gloss. Oh my god, so pretty. Look at all of those. Wow. You guys see? This is all the lipstick side, and then these are all lip gloss. So pretty. I think I want to use this just because it's the most sparkling one. Whoa, so cute. I like this. Okay, so I think I want to use this as a lip liner. Let's see how it looks as a lip liner on me. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over my lip. This is such a nice nude though, but look at this. This is like a true nude lipstick on me. I'm so excited to wear this. I feel like, oh, I just love this color so much. It's really well made. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I'm going to leave the Instagram here, and I'm also going to put it in the description bar down below for any of you guys that is interested. It is a different person that made the blonde wig. I literally have like 3 different people that made me braided wigs, so I think I have enough for now, because honestly I got so many requests to get braided wigs sent to me, and I had to like kind of say no to some people because I'm just like, I don't want to keep taking if I don't think I'm gonna have like, you know, opportunity to wear it. So I'm only taking the stuff that I'm like going to wear. So thank you so much for the wig, and you guys, if you're interested in getting any of these braided wigs, I'm going to leave it in the description bar down below. But yeah, so let's go ahead and apply this wig. All dolled up, all finished, and this is what the transformation looks like. I do look like somebody's grandmother, I'm not even gonna lie. I look like somebody's grandma. But I have to say, I really like this wig, and I just decided this time to cut off the baby hair just because it would have been, you know, it just wouldn't have complemented it that much. So it probably looks like I got my edges like snatched, like girl, where your edges at? So this is the look I came up with using some of the Black On Cosmetics line. I'm going to leave all their links and their ads in the description bar down below, so if you are interested, you can go ahead and check them out and just show some support and love to us. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.